Are you craving some delicious dumplings made from scratch? Steaming is one of the healthiest and most flavorful ways to cook dumplings, and using a bamboo steamer adds an authentic touch to the whole process. But how long should you steam your dumplings for that perfect texture and taste? Join us as we unravel the secrets of steaming dumplings in a bamboo steamer and discover the ideal cooking time. If you are new here, subscribe to Garden Bamboo Plants YouTube channel for bamboo hacks and uses, eco tips, bamboo plants, and more. Steaming dumplings in a bamboo steamer is a traditional method that has been used for centuries in Asian cooking. It allows the dumplings to be cooked without losing their delicate texture and flavors. The cooking time for steaming dumplings in a bamboo steamer can vary depending on several factors, but we'll focus on the most important ones today. Type of dumplings. Thicker dumplings with dense fillings like meat will take longer to cook than thinner dumplings with lighter fillings like vegetables. Size of dumplings. Smaller dumplings will cook faster than larger ones. Thickness of dumpling wrap. Thicker wrappers will take longer to cook through than thinner ones. Filling to wrap ratio. More filling compared to the wrapper will require longer cooking time. Water level. The water level should not touch the bottom of the steamer, as this can make the dumplings soggy. Steaming time. This is the key variable we'll focus on today. As a general guideline, most dumplings will take between 8 and 12 minutes to steam to perfection. However, it's important to check for doneness during the cooking process. To do this, carefully open the steamer lid and insert a toothpick into one of the dumplings. If the toothpick comes out clean, the dumplings are done. If there is still uncooked dough sticking to the toothpick, continue steaming for a few more minutes until they are fully cooked. Now that you have the secret to steaming the perfect dumplings, it's time to create some delicious, healthy, and authentic dumplings that will tantalize your taste buds. Don't forget to experiment with different fillings and flavors to find your perfect combination. Remember, the specific cooking time for your dumplings will depend on the factors we mentioned earlier. Keep an eye on your dumplings during steaming, giving them a little love with each check. Thanks for joining us. Comment and let us know your best tips for using bamboo steamer. If you have not subscribed to Garden Bamboo Plants YouTube channel yet, subscribe now for bamboo hacks and uses.